In this video, interestingly, we are going to discuss about the 2 life lessons which we can learn from Ambani's family. Recently, we saw a grand wedding of Ambani's family. During that time period, there are few instances through which we can learn important parenting life lessons. In this video, I will be discussing with you what are those 2 life lessons and how we can adopt in our life so that our child develops confidence and enjoys freedom. What are those 2 important life lessons? In order to know that, watch this video till the end. Myself Rohini, your natural frequency parenting coach. To learn the first powerful life lessons, watch this clipping. In this clipping, you would have seen that the child had fallen and all the members in the family were standing there and not going and picking up the child. It seems to be very unusual, right? No, actually it's not unusual. It's a deliberate choice where they allowed the child to develop the independence at a very early age. How? Let me explain you. In a normal circumstances, when a child falls down, all the members in the family rush to help the child and make them wake up and try to pacify them. But here in this clipping, you saw that there is a total opposite of that is happening. But if you are going to adopt that into your life, what you're actually doing is, whenever a child falls down, it is trying to struggle and trying to get up on their own. And in this process, the child is going to develop a strong resilience and a strong problem-solving capability. Not only that, without a lot of lecture, you're going to allow the child learn that they can make mistakes and they can also correct their mistakes and overcome the challenges. Many parents try to talk to their child to help them learn a lesson, but instead, in small circumstances like this, if you're going to allow the child to develop themselves, the child will try to build a strong, self-reliant individuals. In the Ambani's family, when the child fell down, they did not help but allow the child to become a strong, self-reliant individual which will build confidence in them. The second life lesson from Ambani's family, before discussing, watch this video. In this video, another strong, powerful life lesson we can learn, where the child is holding a mic in his hand and he is refusing to speak, but people surrounding them did not force him to speak, did not compel him to speak, did not tell him what words or sentences that the child has to speak. But in a normal circumstances, where a child, if he is asked to speak in front of others, we all tell him, speak this, speak that. We all tell him what words to be spoken, what sentences to be spoken. We force them multiple times. But here in this video, you are seeing that the child is given the freedom to express himself in his own time. This is called a nurturing approach. This nurturing approach helps the child freely communicate and also communicate their own thoughts in their own way and develops their confidence at the highest level. In this competitive world where we are living in, every day the child is asked to fit into a mold of expectations from the parents and the society. The Ambani's family did not bother about this. Instead, they gave the freedom to the child. This is the important life lesson. Our child must allow the freedom of movement, freedom of speech, and freedom to express themselves in their own way and in their own time. This freedom will help the child develop a strong confidence and a strong communicating capacity within them. From these 2 important life lessons of Ambani, we can learn that by trusting our child to explore and express themselves in their own way, in their own time, we can empower our child to grow to their fullest potential. Let's make our child strong and independent through these life lessons. And let me know in the comment box what are all the other life lessons you can learn from this video clippings. Like this, many life lessons you can learn by attending our Natural Frequency Parenting Workshop. If you want to join our workshop, type in below workshop. We'll be able to share you with the link to join us. More useful videos are upcoming in our channel, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Myself Rohini, your Natural Frequency Parenting Coach.